Hey, saw your post about the lost dog. Found it wandering around and brought it home.
Oh, thank goodness. Come by to pick it up.
Pick it up? What do you mean?
Thought it would be easier if came to get the dog.
You want us to bring it to you?
Well, if you could. I just thought it would be easier for me to drive.
Actually, we decided to keep the dog for now. Our kids have gotten attached to it.
Wait, that's my dog. You can't just keep it because your kids like it.
We explained to them that it was their new pet and they're thrilled.
This has to be a joke. Return my dog now.
Sorry, it's become part of our family. We won't be giving it back.
This is outrageous. I'm calling animal control.
Go ahead.
We'll see how that plays out.
Good luck with that.